Hey guys, welcome back to Simply New England. A lot has happened since the last video as far as YouTube for me. Well, to me it's a lot. I picked up another 7 subscribers, which I was excited about. I also got over 400 views on my last CFMOTO video. So I think I might be onto something. It seems to me there's a lot of you that are either considering purchasing a UFORCE 1000 or a CFMOTO product. Have one, haven't had a whole lot of time to get out on it, and are just excited to see someone else driving around, crashing through the woods, having some fun. But on that note, 400 plus views for me in a matter of a few days is quite a bit. So again, I hope I'm getting some traction with the viewers. I'm at about 68 subscribers right now. That's not a lot in the world of YouTube by any means, but I'm excited to try to hit my first 100. If you guys are liking the videos, you're enjoying watching, following along, definitely hit that like button. Please subscribe. Trying to get to 100 as soon as I can. No specific reason for 100, it's just a milestone. So I would appreciate that if you could hit that subscribe button. And alright, so I'm not going to talk too much on this one. I'm going to get you guys out here. I'm going to give you a first-person view. So it should be a pretty good ride today. I'm going to do a little bit of crashing through the woods and through some trees. Dead trees. I don't want to really get into crushing over nice new live trees. That's really not my goal out here. So 423 people have tuned in to watch me ride around on this beast. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to go for a ride and take you along with me.